Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Gucci model GG0252S in color code 004. It's a gold color frame. There's a Gucci logo on the side of the temples, and the pearl detailing on the end of each temple with a Gucci logo, the double GG on each side. This frame is made in Italy. The lenses are pink color with a Gucci logo engraved in the top left corner. Up here we have the velvet Gucci cases. Colors may vary with purchases, as well as a pouch to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.